Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I make mimosa salad. For this recipe need 3 boiled potatoes with skin, 3 carrots boiled with skin, 1 garlic, 1 large can tuna, mayonnaise, 2 boiled eggs, pepper and grated cheese. Let's start the process by peel the potatoes, the potato ready peeled. Next step, to peel the carrots. The better way that you cut half and start peeling it like this. Carrots ready, peeled. Next, I peel the eggs. The eggs ready peeled. Now I start to grate the potatoes. I peel the carrots. Carrots ready. And now I grate the eggs. The eggs ready. I chop fine the garlic. And now we have all the ingredients prepared for the salad. I preparing the salad by making layering. First the tuna, I put some pepper, garlic, but this is optional. You can use either onion or nothing. It depends on your taste. Mayonnaise, Try to make it thin layer. Potato. Another layer of mayonnaise. Again a thin layer. Now carrots. Another thin layer of mayonnaise. Eggs. Thin layer of mayonnaise. The last is the cheese. The salad is almost ready. I cover I put it in the fridge for some hours for more flavor and become more tasty. After a few hours in the fridge, I brought out the salad. I have some fresh chives. I will chop them very fine to put them on the top. I put some basil. Salad ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, make like, leave a comment below and share with friends. See you in the next video.